All right, so today we're gonna show you how to replace we call it the tenon on the bottom of your rocking chair. Sometimes these break or tend to rot and they're easily replaceable. Just have to order one of these from us and we'll show you how to do the rest. So the first step is to get this flat with the post. And if you don't get it as flat as you want it, it's okay because the tenon's gonna stick out at the bottom. We're gonna use a Sawzall, but you can use a handsaw or whatever you got to make it flat, all right? All right, that's flat enough. So we're gonna take, I like to do a pilot hole. With a small drill bit first to get it in the middle. So we're gonna take the small one first and we're gonna put our pilot hole in the middle of the post. That way when we go with our bigger bit, it's going straight down. So find your about middle. Pilot hole. All right, so this is about a 1/2 inch on the bottom here. So you're gonna need a little bit heavier than that. And how you know the depth is you take this and you put it towards your drill bit and then you're gonna tape out how deep you're gonna go. Okay? We got our pilot hole and we're ready to drill. So the important thing here is making sure you're going straight down because you don't want it at an angle. So you got to make sure you're going straight down. This is a very important part. We're getting there. God. All right, we should be there. Let's check it, see if it goes down to the tape. All right, we're good. You can drill it a little bit heavier if you want, just to be safe. Because once you put that glue in there and your tenon in there, it ain't coming out. Okay, so if you got an air hose, blow out whatever's in there. If not, use your mouth. We're gonna blow it out because we got an air hose. I'm gonna go a little bit deeper. Should do it there. All right, so you're good there. All right, so the next thing you're gonna need is some wood glue. We use Tight Bond, but just use whatever wood glue is water resistant. Anything will really work. So you're gonna fill up your hole a little bit. More than less is always better with this because this is taking on all the weight. So we're gonna put a little bit on here too when it slides in. And we're gonna let that slide. I'm gonna grab a paper towel. All right, it's all gonna squeeze out, which is a good thing. You're just gonna let it sink right down in there. Probably put a little bit too much glue. All right, so get that all rubbed off, and then after you're done, just flip your chair upside down so that you're gonna apply pressure to this bottom tenon. So we're all good now. All we're gonna do is take it this way and flip it. And let it sit. Should be done in like an hour at least. So that's how it's done.